Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel Pak Techniques. And if you like my videos, so subscribe my channel Pak Techniques so that you can get further updates from our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how you can make websites using wix.com. Yes, how you can make websites. If you want to make websites, then you will have to use wix.com. By using wix.com, it's a website. By using it, you can make websites for free. Yes, you can make websites free. You don't have to give any money. Yeah, if you want to buy domain, then you have to give money. First of all, I will show you my website, which I just made it. I will show this one. And it's loading. You know, it's a big website. From this website you can make your own website without giving any money. And so yeah, it takes some time. It takes some loading. इसके भी अपने नखरे हैं. So this is my website. Let's have a preview of it. I will just click on view live site, and here my website will open. This is the link of my website, you can say. And here is my website, daily web by Mr. Jasip. Get exactly what you need. Here is get in touch button, login button, my number, home button, book online button, blog button, forum button. There are so many buttons. Welcome to daily web, committed to excellence, learn more button. And here are the ads which I just put it in my website. And if you want me to do content writing, graphic designing, or edit your video, so you can contact me. I will take little money, but I will do many work. You can hire me. So this is my website, all my work, and at last you can see this. You can add your email address and subscribe. So how you can make these types of websites using wix.com? Okay, first of all, you have to open wix.com. You have to search in Google, and after searching it, it will take a little bit time to load. And then after it gets loaded, you can make your websites. Yes, you can make your websites. Just let it gets load. And after it gets loaded, yes, here you can see this is my website, which I have already made it. So I can edit them. I can edit it. I can add section. I can add any other pages. I can design with themes, colors, fonts, animation is just amazing, and page designs. I will show you how to animate your websites. I have clicked on animation button, and after it you can see fade, float. The text is coming in a floating way. Slide, the text is coming in a sliding way. Fly, the text is coming in a flying way. You can see this text, just look at it. Fly, fold, turn, the text is turned. The text is coming in a turning way. So these are all the animations which you can apply to your text, which will be displayed in the front to the visitors of your website. And here are the pages, those pages I have already added. And if you want to add, just click on page button, and after clicking on page button you can add any sort of pages. I've already added. And themes, colors, these are all things which you can add. And I will say that from the help of these templates you can make your website. But one more thing I would like to add, that it will take some time, because you know it's a big website. From this website allows you to make a great website of your own, so it will take some time of loading, and after taking some time it will surely get loaded. Customize site design, colors, fonts, animation. I will click on colors. You can change colors as well. Light blue color, no, it's not good. I will choose black. Okay, here it is. You can see light blue is not good, I guess. I will click on edit, and then I shall choose dark will be good, but I think I shall choose the mix one. Dark is not good. Basically these are the colors of this section, and this section is you can say not a section of this section. So okay, I will choose this mix one, white and dark blue mix. And after it gets loaded, after this is applied in this, I will show you. Let's see. You can see it's black, this is white, and this is light blue, which I just selected here. This is light blue, this is again white, this is black and white and blue mix. So this is my colorful website, you can say. So by clicking on managing apps, you can add the links of your blog, which you make, the blogs which you can make from blogger.com, and you can also add a section of pricing plans, from which you can tell or write articles telling what work you can do and how much money you will take of doing a particular job. These all things you can do, and you can also link your Facebook, or you can say Facebook account or phone number, contact number, and such things to your website, so that others can contact you on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, can call you, such things. I have already made it, so I will edit it to show you how to make or edit website using wix.com. These are all things which I already have made it, and if you have not made it, so what are you waiting for? Just go search wix.com and just search it wix.com, and after searching it, you can make your website. Where it is, wix.com, here it is, logo maker. You can make logos as well, so it's something exceptional, something great. You can edit your sections of your website, you can design them, you can edit them, all these things you can do. I've already designed and edited it, so I'm just telling you how you can do. I'm telling the buttons from which you can edit your website. So these are all the things, these are ads which I added. And one thing I will like to add once again, that if you want me to do editing or content writing or graphic design, so then you can hire me, and I will take little bit money, but I can do some great work for you. So this is my website, you can search it. And in this video I told you how you can make websites. First of all, you have to search wix.com, and by the help of wix.com you can make websites for you can make your websites. And what are the buttons, how can you make, these all things I just told you. And then just click on publish and the website will get published. So if you liked my video, subscribe my channel Pak Techniques. Don't forget to press the bell icon